This is NVRC's annual flagship event, and we're excited because this year the theme is Every Connection Starts with Communication. What makes this event unique is that it's specifically designed for the deaf and hard of hearing community. Frankly, anyone who's interested in learning about hearing loss and deaf culture. You'll find a variety of exhibitors from hearing healthcare professionals, support and advocacy organizations, businesses like Cochlear Americas and the American Tinnitus Association, along with local social and support organizations, and even deaf artisans. They'll give you an opportunity to explore resources, see new technology, and frankly, connect with people who care and understand about hearing loss.
And if you're deaf or hard of hearing, you get to meet other people who understand your journey. Communication is more than just devices and programs. It's about connecting, because when we connect, it helps to open doors, it builds confidence, and it reduces social isolation. At Celebrate Communication, that's where the connections begin. So we hope you will join us. Passport to a Prize is back again this year, and we have some fabulous prizes for you at the end of the event. So we hope to see you there.
We would love you to join us Saturday, September 27th from 10 till 3. Where? The Springfield Town Center Mall, and after an ASL Social in the food court. This event is for everyone: deaf, hard of hearing, hearing, adults, children, family, friends, supporters. Whether you communicate in English and speak, or use sign, or cued speech, or some mix of communication, everyone is welcome. NVRC is a proud umbrella organization, and we bring together people to connect, to learn, and to celebrate. And remember, every connection starts with communication.